Welcome to our Storytellers showcase. We are so excited to share this with you folks. We have such a rich history of nearly 100 years of entertaining the world.
Sorry.
And this right here, this is never before seen, and this is the first thing that you see before you embark on our one-of-a-kind tours. So inside of here, we have everything from the history of the Warner Brothers themselves, Mary, Albert, Sam, and Jack. Everything from animation, television, movies, and all of our classic and contemporary, everything that you love to see. We want to get you closer to that entertainment that you love and truly take you behind the lens. Everything that you will see on tour little scale from it is what you're going to see here. You folks may not have even noticed we were already on the lot right now. Yes, this is an aerial view of our 110 acres of our lot. I'm sure that you also noticed our very iconic water tower here as well. A little bit smaller, yes, but our iconic water tower nonetheless. And we do have scale models of our sound stages as well, including our favorite, our tallest, and one of my personal favorites over here, our Stage 16 sound stage over here. This is one that you see whenever a Warner Brothers movie starts. You hear that beautiful song as time goes by, which happens to be playing right now. Did not plan that, but that would be great. It's the one that you do see.
Right.